Once students are competent at using letter-sound relationships to decode words, they begin to recognize meaningful units of words. Structural elements of words follow predictable patterns. Able readers deduce these patterns without giving them much thought. They perceive common roots and affixes, divide words rapidly, and decode accurately. On the other hand, struggling readers are not adept at recognizing or utilizing structural cues, so they need formal instruction. Understanding how affixes are used as structural components of words teaches decoding and encoding skills. The 18 sets in each level build structural awareness. Each set has suffixes that form plurals on nouns, that are added to verbs to form tense, or added to adjectives for comparative or superlative forms. Some prefixes are also added to modify meaning.
Snow White woke up from her sleeping spell after the prince kissed her. Do you remember when all blank had chords and you couldn't walk around while using one? Telephone. The hare was blank than the tortoise, but it did not win the race. The hare was faster.
Checking their own work allows students to find their errors. For instance, she put ES on telephone and S on babies. The English language rules with the highest validity and utility are those relating to suffix spelling changes. Students at all grade levels can be taught the rules, drilled in their application, and expected to apply them. Once all the rules have been covered and posted, insist on application of them in all written work. Suffix spelling changes cards are broken into 3 groups of 10 that are done after the rules are taught. Students write the words with suffixes and then check their work. The Tips for Teachers issue on suffix spelling changes lists the 4 rules with examples and explains spelling strategies. It tells you how to make suffix spelling cards and gives examples of cards for each category. Suffix spelling changes are noted on root word cards in all of our materials. The Affixes and Roots Tips for Teachers issue on our website shows how prefixes impact meaning and how suffixes affect usage. There is a complete listing of prefixes with meanings and examples and suffixes with usage and examples. Syllabication is often taught in such a fragmented manner that students are unable to pull all components together into a viable word analysis strategy. Students consider all syllabication rules in this material as they break down 2-syllable words. The first step is to divide off affixes. That is why students need to be familiar with prefixes and suffixes. Next, look for consonant clusters in the middle of words and divide between the consonants. Finally, when one consonant is between vowels, divide after long vowels, leaving an open syllable, or after the consonant if the vowel is short, leaving a closed syllable.
Gentle, furnish, napkin, ravish, lemon, super, super, clover, table, spinal or spinal, human, super.
Multisyllabic words are divided into syllables by applying the same rules. Division patterns emerge in these words, and students will learn these as they improve their skills. Watch these applied in the following slides. First, divide off the prefixes and suffixes. Remember, these supersede the other rules. Next, look for consonant clusters. Divide between the two consonants, leaving the first syllable closed. If there is one consonant between vowels, divide after the consonant when the syllable is closed, or after the vowel if the syllable is open. These are some of the syllabication division patterns that emerge in longer words. The Tips for Teachers issue on syllabication reiterates these rules and what has been covered on this video. It tells you how to make your own syllable sort activities and includes a resource list of 88 words for each rule. The resource list section includes a list of these 88 words, as well as another sheet with 240 multisyllable words. Flip strips are a great way to teach the use of apostrophes in contractions and possessives.
They have.
And turn it over.
They've.
And which letters did we drop?
H-A.
Very good. Let's put this over here in the have pile. And pick another.
You will.
Great.
You'll.
Very good. And which letters did you drop?
W-I.
Very good. Okay.
Does not. Doesn't.
Very good. And which letters did you drop?
O.
Oh, only one letter. That's right. It goes into the not pile.
One farmer's tractor, 3 farmers' tractors. One man's suits, 3 men's suits. One class's teach project and 2 classes assignment. The reason why I added ES is because it ended with S. 1 child, 2 children. 1 woman's, 2 women's.